Desperate for a glimpse of their homes, West Kelowna residents forced out by the aggressive McDougall Creek fire watch helplessly, hoping for the best, but fearing the worst.
Somewhere up there is our house, we hope, standing right now.
At a news conference Saturday morning, West Kelowna's fire chief confirming the news no one wanted to hear.
I'm sad to report that we lost multiple structures yesterday, again, within the city of West Kelowna.
While it's not known how many homes have now burned to the ground, the number of structural protection firefighters has doubled in a desperate effort to save homes.
We have 127 structural firefighters working the day shift today. There are 41 fire trucks.
Much needed resources for the out-of-control blaze, and while structures were lost, there is one big win to report involving the nearly completed multi-million-dollar new water treatment plant.
The fire burned over the treatment plant last night, but I'm happy to report that it was saved and undamaged. $10,000 worth of sprinklers and pumps that were put on that building over the last 2 days saved a $75 million asset.
And speaking of water, the city has now issued a do not consume notice for Rose Valley water system users. It has also implemented stage 4 water restrictions in the community, where water is freely flowing from the structures that have burned.
It's depleted the water supply in that area. So the reservoirs are no longer full, and we need to conserve what little water remains in those reservoirs for firefighting purposes.
While aerial resources are not as visible today because of the thick smoke, BC Wildfire Service assures that choppers are working on this fire. But due to the poor visibility, the number of aircraft could be limited for safety reasons and those sightlines not being so good.
While calmer winds offered a bit of a reprieve for firefighters overnight, what the winds do next is the big question.
Could this still get worse before it gets better?
It totally depends on the wind.
Leaving much of the firefight at the mercy of Mother Nature. Claudia Van Emmer, Global News, West Kelowna.